All right, want to walk you through this 2022 pre-owned Sea Ray 190 SPX that we just got on trade. This boat has 71 hours, does have the tower, and it does have the Merc 4.5 200 horsepower engine. Why don't you join me aboard and we'll take a look at some of the features. All right, 19 SPX this is one of my favorite boats. Here are some of the features. This nice walkway with the sea decking. You walk right in. This particular boat, we got the two captain's chairs. We got the nice bench right there with a cooler underneath. We've got the nice helm, and this does have the Simrad touchscreen and the Fusion stereo. The Fusion stereo is upgraded, so you got your subwoofer right there, upgraded speakers throughout the boat, and it's got the LED blue lighting throughout. This boat also has the optional bow filler cushion. Nice big bow in this 19. This is an 8.4 beam, 10-person boat, 2022, here at our Rogers location. Come take a look before it's gone.